you. I think much has been said about the impact of AI on education and the future of learning, so I'll not deliberate more on that. I just want to express my sincere thanks to MTC Global for partnering with RVIM to organize this 14th annual global convention, on the evolution of education and the impact of technology going forward and how the future of education will be, especially in the field of management. And I also would like to take a moment to thank Dr. Vijayanand for her interesting insights on the impact of AI. And Dr. Rafiqul Islam, thank you, sir, for traveling all the way from Dhaka and for sharing your thoughts. Dr. Aruni Prasad, for being kind enough to come here and for also sharing your insights on what exactly will be the impact of technology and how we should, let's say, embrace education. And more importantly, Dr. Bang for his very thoughtful and insightful speech on embracing our traditional Gurukul system and also embracing technology, which I feel is extremely important, and I completely agree with you. So without taking any more of your time, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all the delegates who have traveled from far and wide, and to all the dignitaries on the dais for sharing their thoughts. And I'm sure that during the course of the day, while you all deliberate on the impact of technology in the future of education, I'm sure that interesting insights will emerge. So thank you very much, and I wish RVIM and I wish MTC Global all the very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. We have now reached the end of this inaugural session. I would take this opportunity to thank Dr. Vijayanand, Dean of Faculty of Business, Economics and Communication, Naresuan University, Thailand. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming all the way to RVIM. It was an honor to have you here. I request our student volunteers to honor ma'am with a token of gratitude. I request our director, Dr. Purushottam Bang, to do the honors.